Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today's interview question is: what are the differences between NAT Gateway versus NAT Instance? NAT Gateway versus NAT Instance. So we have already discussed NAT Gateway, NAT Instance in previous interview questions, right? So maybe I have answered this already in one of the playlists, but today we'll have a look into this in more detail. So NAT Gateway is a fully AWS managed. It's totally AWS managed. We don't do any installation or configuration, nothing. It's a AWS managed. And NAT instance is user managed EC2 instance. So take EC2 instance and install NAT server and then you configure it. So this is the user managed EC2 instance. And this is AWS managed NAT Gateway. NAT Gateway highly available, AWS infrastructure, all auto scaling, everything will be taken care by AWS. But this is since you have installed on the EC2 instance, it's a single point of failure. That if EC2 instance fails, it will be a single point of failure. NAT gateway, by the way, NAT gateway, we already know that NAT, why we need NAT. It's for private uh, instances which are on the private subnet. They for them outbound request, it's request because they want to download something, install something. So they will be going to internet, fetching something and install on the machine. But from outside, nobody will be able to connect because they're on the private subnet. From outside, nobody will be able to initiate a request. But from inside, you will be able to initiate a request. That is the outbound request. You'll be able to do that. So that is a NAT gateway required for the private subnet to go to the internet. Going to the internet, we need a NAT. And for public side subnet, going to internet, we need internet gateway. And that's a bi-direction, both direction, inbound and outbound. Both are there in the internet gateway. So, okay. So availability, this is single point of failure. Scaling, it can auto scale up to 45 Gbps. And this NAT instance, manual scaling is different. Performance, up to 40 Gbps bandwidth. And this is by limited by instance type. What type of instance you have taken? It's limited by that bandwidth, etc. Performance also. Cost, it's a high cost, $45 per month plus data fees are there. It will be lower depending on the EC2 instance, what kind of EC2 instance they have taken based on that price will vary. But generally it will be lower than NAND gateway. And that's why you're going for, maybe you don't have that much load, that's why you're going for this. You don't need that much scalability, that's why you are going for NAT instance. Security group cannot assign. Here we can assign security group to the EC2 instance. NACL, it supports NACL, network access control. So you can initially supported for NAT gateway. For this one also it is supported. SSH access not available. This is EC2 instance, your own EC2 instance. You will be able to do SSH. Customization, no customization. It is a black box. They have given NAT gateway to you. You have to use as it is, whatever AWS have given. AWS is fully managing it. You don't need to do anything. And here, full configuration control. You have full control. Whatever you want to do, you can configure. Port forwarding not supported. Port forwarding you can do that in a NAT instance. Use case production use case high traffic where high traffic is the production, and this is cost sensitive. Custom needs maybe test environment or some POC kind of thing, demo environment. You can go for NAT instance or a small scale, very small deployment. You can go for NAT. So these are the differences between NAT instance and NAT gateway. Okay. So management side, AWS manage, user manage, availability, scaling, cost, security group, the other. So recommendation, choose NAT gateway for production environment with high availability needs. Choose NAT instance for cost optimization or when custom configuration is required. When you have some special configuration you want to have, you can go for this NAT instance. So let's go to the quiz section. Which of the following is the key difference between NAT gateway and NAT instance? NAT gateway supports security group while NAT instance does not know, is fully managed by AWS while NAT instance requires manual setup and maintenance. So answer is B. NAT gateway is fully managed by AWS while NAT instance requires manual setup and maintenance. Answer is B. Correct answer is B. Which of the following is true regarding high availability? NAT gateway provides automatic high availability within a availability zone. Yes, the first one. NAT gateway provides automatic high availability. NAT instance are automatically distributed now. So NAT gateway provides automatic high availability. That is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow my DevOps Challenge Hub. And I organize quiz contest regularly, daily. I post it daily. So please participate in that, and also follow my WhatsApp channel, DevOps Challenge Hub. I post regular updates there. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video.